Hello students, today we are discussing chapter number 1 of class 7, that is integers. So let us take a quick recap of integers. What are integers? Before integers we have discussed about only the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. So these numbers are called natural numbers. Natural numbers. So natural numbers are basically 1, 2, 3 and so on. When we add 0 to this number, that is when we add 0 to this number, these numbers will become whole numbers. So whole numbers. Whole numbers, when we add 0 to it, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these numbers are called whole numbers. And what are integers? Integers are the number when we add negative number to it. -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on till minus infinity. Integers. So integers are basically -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So these are called integers. Now we will discuss the addition of integers. So this is the increasing order. When you move towards right, these integers will increase. For example, if we move here from right, so -3 is smaller than -2 because as we move right, the value of the integers will increase. So value of -4 will be less than -3. So 3 will be greater than -4. In the same way, -4 is greater than -5. So this is the increasing order. When we move towards left, the value of integers decreases. For example, when you move left, that is 2 is smaller than 3. In the same way, -3 is smaller than -2. In the same way, -4 is smaller than -3. So when we move right, the value of integers increases. When we move left, the value of integers decreases. Now we will discuss the addition of integers. If you are adding two positive integers, the answer will be positive. For example, 5 plus 4 will be 9. When you are adding two negative integers, like when we will add two negative integers, negative plus negative. In this case, you will get the answer, you will add these two numbers and the sign you will get negative. For example, -5 plus -4. So answer will be -9. So when you are adding two negative integers, this is the first thing. When you are adding two positive integers, answer will be positive and the numbers will get added. If you are adding two negative integers, so answer will be negative and the value of the integer will be sum of these two numbers. For example, -5 plus -4 is equal to -9. And the third case, that was the second case, and the third case is when you are adding a positive integer and a negative integer. In this case, a conflict arises. There you will get a difference. You will get the difference between these two numbers and the sign of the numbers whosoever is greater. I'll show you with the example. Like for example, -5 plus -4. Note, one is positive and one is negative. See, -5 is negative and 4 is positive. So in this case, you will get the difference between the two numbers. 5 minus 4, that is 1. And the number who is greater value. 5 is a greater value than 4. So you will get the answer -1. If you have 5 plus -4, then again you will get the difference. 5 minus 4 is 1 and you will get the sign of the greater value. 5 is a greater value, so you will get the sign here positive.